Alright, good evening everyone and welcome back to our live. We're going to the second game after a nice game between the Xiaomi versus the Samsung. First ball makuha rito ng Xiaomi outside. Bola rito ng Samsung. Basketball. Pull up basket for Samsung. Here comes number 13. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pass to Lawrence. Outlet pass. Ganda ng pass naman doon. Uy! That's a trouble. Still. Oh, wala. Good hustle. Herrera. Oh. That's a foul. Ano ba yan? Si number 13 eh. Number 19 at the free throw area. Official score. Correction is a 2-0 in favor of all two. Tama ko kanina. Lores Pingol at the post. Drive against the foul. And Lawrence Pingol on the free throw area. Jersey number 3. Lawrence basket. And there's first field goal. Tengabi. Lawrence Pingol. Basket yan for Lawrence Pingol. 2 for 2. Xiaomi basketball at the post. High post. Fake. Drive. Hook shot. Miss. Rebound by number 19. Pass to Lawrence. Pingol. Pingol. Mati ka na magawan. Pass. Number 19. Too strong. Rebound by Xiaomi. Kick out from the corner. Zamora for 3. Miss. Ayan na with a putback for Xiaomi. Tabla tayo sa apat. Randall for 3. In and out. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Guerrero behind the back. Guerrero. Uy! Munti ka na magawan. Number 13. Pass to Guerrero. Raro steal. Lawrence nagmamadali. Lawrence. Pagol. Wait lang. Uy! Gets a contact. Grabe naman yun. Basket count and 1 for Lawrence Pingol. Grabe naman. Ginulangan. Here's their veterans move by Lawrence Pingol. Wala nga lang. Another rebound. Makuha pa rin ni Pingol. Pingol, bounce pass. Number 7. Miss ka lang. Ayun na, Guerrero gustong makabawi. Guerrero with a cross. Guerrero drive. Nabitawan. Steal. Outlet pass. Pingol nagmamadali. Pingol. Oy. Out of bounds. Last touch. Same ball. On the free throw area, wala pa tayong penalty. Lawrence looking for his teammate. Pinasa sa top of the key. 4-3, no good. Big goal with a putback. Grabe yun. What a back-to-back basket para kay Pingo Lawrence. Outlet pass. Uy, ayan na ni Yoyo sa ere. Basket yan for Xiaomi. Time out. Or sorry, that's mandatory substitution. Change 5, both teams. Official score is 8-6. 2-point lead for Samsung. Ayan na. Samsung looking for his teammate. Pass to number 9. Kick out number 38. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Kumakuha ng Xiaomi. Number 0. Binigay sa corner. Pull up. In and out. Rebound ng Samsung. The ball. Bounce pass. Wala. Randall 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 7. Fadeaway shot. Yes, sir. By number 7. Grabe yun. Parang si Kobe lang. By jersey number 7. Guerrero. Setting on the play. Pass number 0. Crossover. Binigay sa big man. Attacking the basket using their height advantage. And score. 10-8. Down by 2. The Earth. Parat. Wala. Out of bounds. That's a Samsung basketball. Randall binigay. The Earth. Binigay sa gitna. Number 7. Short. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Guerrero nang mamadali. Guerrero. Guerrero spin. Whoa! 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 What a move by Guerrero. Ang ganda ng hirap put mo, idol. By Guerrero. Tabla tayo sa 10. Randall. Looking for his teammate. Cross-court pass. Bigay sa corner. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Out of bounds. Xiaomi basketball. Guerrero. Nagmamadali. Guerrero binigay. Uy, out of bounds. Pass, bad pass, steal ng Xiaomi. Ayan na, side step. Ooh, gets the foul. On the free throw area para sa Xiaomi. First shot missed. Second shot is good. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Xiaomi. There. Pull up. No good. Rebound. Tama ka, Jari ka. Foul number 7. Wala pa tayo penalty. Uy, mati ka na magawan. Naka-recover. Crossover by Randall. Uy! Grabe naman yun. Pero wala. But there's a contact by Randall. Time remaining, last 1 minute. Para sa ating first period. Randall shooting for 2. First shot, basket. Second shot for Randall. Wala. Rebound, number 38. Oopsie. Outside. Samson basketball. Uy, no good. Rebound, number 9. Too strong, another rebound. Number 9, wala pa rin. But this time, makuha na ng Xiaomi. Another steal. Number 7. Randall binigay kay number 9. Nabitawan. Yes, a 3. Yes, para sa tres ng Samsung. Guerrero, crossover, spin, drop pass. What a move, but there's a foul. Last 4 seconds. Number 10, shooting 4-2. Oopsie, short. Second shot, basket. 14-12. 4, 3, 2, 1, tira! Randall 4-3, uy! Di mo makabot, pare. Layang. Alright, end of the first period. Official score of 14-12 in favor of the Samsung. Alright, tayo dadako na po sa ating second period. Lamang ng dalawa ang Samsung. Tingnan natin ang handle dito ng Samsung. Back to the ball game. Second quarter, let's go. Lamang ng dalawa ang Samsung. Lawrence, bullet pass. Hoy. Number 38, kick out. Lawrence, top of the key, crossover. Lawrence, drive. Hoy. Out of bounds, outside. Wala na nga Xiaomi. Guerrero. What a pass. Nice execute ng Xiaomi. Tabla tayo sa 14. Pingol, pass number 7. Binigay sa corner. Pingol. Uy, basang-basa yun ng Xiaomi. Guerrero with the ball. With spin. Guerrero nakatawid. Guerrero. To number 8. Uy, pass na Guerrero. Naka-recover, Guerrero. Spin, binigay sa gitna. Drive, oy! There's a foul. On the free throw area para sa Xiaomi. Basket for Xiaomi. Change favor, balik ang kalamangan sa Xiaomi. No good. Rebound by Samsung. Over, kick out. Tuping goal. Lawrence drive, steal. Outlet pass. Guerrero. Uy! Bad pass. Last 8 minutes sa ating laban. Bola rito ng Samsung. Oh, 8 seconds violation. 7 minutes and 41 seconds. Number 8. Drive, sidestep. No good. Rebound by Lawrence. Pingol with the cover. Lawrence, nagmamadali. Lawrence, drive. Whoa, nice move by Lawrence. Pingol. Sidestep. Basket, yan. For Shami. Setting on the play. Pass to Pingol. Fake. Drive. Got sa contact. Another rebound. Pingol. Fake. Uy, bad pass. Three against one. Three against two. Basket by De La Cruz. Lawrence, Pingol. Number 9, steal. 2 against 2. De La Cruz na naman. Drive, basket. Time out. Samson. Six minutes and 8 seconds. Time out muna dito ang Samson. Napako rito ang Samsung sa ating second 16 points. Tingnan natin ang kanilang sa kanilang adjustment ng timeout. Si head coach dito, si paring Lawrence Pingol. Back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 8 seconds para sa ating first half. Randall, binigay. Pingol, fake. Running shot. Oh, there's a foul by number 10. On the free throw area, number 3. That's Lawrence Pingol. First shot is good. Second shot for Lawrence. Wala. Rebound, number 38. Binomba, binigay. Last touch. Same ball. Samson basketball. Cross-court pass. Pingol, Lawrence. Fake. Setting on the screen. Binigay sa loob. Uy. Bad pass. Miscommunication for Samson. Number 8 to number 0. De La Cruz. That's a trouble. Substitution. Change 5 po tayo. Kaswak ay De Lima. Gets the 3. In and out. Rebound by number 19. Pass to Lawrence. Pingol. Outlet pass. Steal. Ganda naman ang pasa na yun. Randall and 1 by jersey number 38. That's it. They're third. 21-23, down by 2. Wala, rebound. There it. And the traveling violation. Awarded po yan sa ating official. Ayun na ang Xiaomi nagmamadali, number 0. De La Cruz from the corner 3. Uy, tumama, Butiki. Rebound by Lawrence. 2 against 2. Lawrence, nabitawan. Napagod si Mario Lawrence doon. Bola rito ng Xiaomi. Oh, steal. Pass to Lawrence. Akin na to. By Lawrence, Pingol. Tabla tayo sa 23. Number 0, up and under. Reverse layup, number 0. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 38. Lima. Randel, running shot. Wow, wala. Number 13, pass number 8. Number 8 setting on, binigay sa corner. Gets the 3, short. Libre. Walang bantay, outlet pass. Oy, sayang. Step in on the line nga lang yan. Mga idol, munti ka na. Bola rito ng Xiaomi. Gets the 3, in and out. Rebound, makuha. Outlet pass. To Randel, 3 against 1. Uy, walang tawag. Number 0. Four against 1, steal. Randel drive up and under, no good. Another rebound by Randel against the foul. Foul by Zamora. That is first personal foul. 2 shots for Randel. First shot miss. Let's go, Randall. Oy, wala. Number 13, bounce pass to number 10, basket. That's a travel. Last 38 seconds. Gets a 3. Oh! Oy! 3-point for Xiaomi. Lawrence, big goal. Reverse layup. Uy! Ayan na, Zamora. Number 10, 3 against 1. Too strong. Rebound. Pakuha ni Randel. 4, 2, 1. Tira! Raure! Ay! Matay ang Butiki. And that's the end of our first period. Official score at 30-23. Muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating team. Ayan eh. We would like to thank our SCI group, Mancom. Ayan, shoutout kila Ronald Chan, Alma Bentipo, Aubrey Estelier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ang, Nes Garoy, Patricia Dolot, Liobel Sagigit, and kay Miss Hana Kalimon. Ayan, magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Don't go away. Ayan, till 1 p.m. Smarter, bolder, and stronger. We innovate and we evolve. Hanggang sa muli. See you on the second quarter or second half. 30-23 lamang ang Xiaomi. ng 7.